Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What I'm sharing with you today is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today we're exploring Musement, found at www.musement.com. This website is a fantastic resource for discovering and booking tours, activities, and experiences in destinations all around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, Musement offers a wide variety of options to enhance your trip. From classic sightseeing tours and museum visits to unique local experiences and adrenaline-pumping activities, there's something for everyone. Navigating the Musement website is straightforward and user-friendly. You can easily search for activities by destination, date, or interest. The website provides detailed descriptions, photos, and user reviews for each activity, helping you make informed decisions. You can also filter results based on price, availability, and other criteria. Booking through Musement is secure and convenient, allowing you to manage your reservations and tickets all in one place. One of the highlights of using Musement is the extensive range of activities available. They partner with local operators to offer authentic and unique experiences that you might not find elsewhere. Whether you're interested in a cooking class in Tuscany, a guided bike tour through Amsterdam, or a whale-watching excursion in Iceland, Musement has you covered. They also offer skip-the-line tickets to popular attractions, saving you valuable time and hassle. In addition to its vast selection of activities, Musement provides helpful travel resources and inspiration. Their blog features destination guides, travel tips, and recommendations for things to do and see. This is a great way to discover hidden gems and get insider insights into your chosen destination. Overall, Musement is a valuable tool for travelers looking to enhance their trips with exciting and memorable experiences. Their user-friendly platform, diverse selection of activities, and helpful travel resources make it a one-stop shop for planning and booking your next adventure. So, if you're looking for a convenient and reliable way to discover and book activities, I definitely recommend checking out www.musement.com. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you've used Musement yourself. I'd love to hear about your experiences.